Hi, everyone. Welcome to our exciting unboxing experience. Today, we have something truly remarkable to unveil, the brand new state-of-the-art DOOGEE R10 rugged tablet. This device is packed with cut. As you can see, the packaging is sleek and elegant, reflecting the quality of what lies inside. Let's remove the sealing tape and open it up. Here is the start of the show. Look at its stunning design, the slim profile, and the premium build quality. You can already tell this is a device that exudes sophistication. I must mention how impressively light this tablet feels in hand. It's perfect for those who are always on the go. Lightweight and portability at its finest. Let's see what else we have in the box. Inside, we find some essential accessories. Here we have the power adapter, charging cable, card removal needle, user manual, TPU leather case, and wrist sling. With these, you'll be able to keep your tablet powered up and ready for action.